Unboxing video. Let's get the fuck digging in. God, picking. So, accessories. Shit, where's my scissors? Here. So, remote with batteries, coaxial, that's your aux cord, RCA, power plug for soundbar, power plug for subwoofer, satellite cables, digital optical cable, which is like fiber optics, HDMI, which I'm not going to be using because I don't have space. I think that's like a wall mount or something. Yes. What's next? We've got speaker here, your speaker, your side speakers, your other one here. I don't know how good my cameramanship is because this is, again, a half-assed unboxing. Your large-ass sound frickin' bar. Larger than I expected for bedroom. I've already got one of these. There's something similar to this out in the fucking living room, or at least my grandparents do. And your subwoofer. Half-assed unboxing done.